Hello, dear students. How are you? Good morning, dear fifth standard. We have completed the Unit 1 Swami Vivekananda lesson. That is full topic, book exercise, and question answers. All this we have completed, and the poem he did it. Okay, and that wave and the young man challenge, how he conquered. So, I'm completed Unit 1. So, we are moving on to a new lesson. Our new topic is the nuclear test. The nuclear test. It's not any science experiment, okay? The nuclear test. It's a lesson. Okay. Do you understand? See, in olden days, when my father, mother was there, they were in the joint family. Okay, my mother, my father, and when we were small kids, when we were school going, our grandparents were with us. Okay. Later, now when I married and my kids with my kids, now I am separated. Okay. So, living with one family, only with the kids, without the relatives or grandparents, it is called nuclear family. If we live with our grandparents, relatives, with a large number of relatives as a group, they are called as joint family. Okay, this subject is related to family. Family is always a sweet place. Yes or no? I like family. Everybody likes family. Everybody likes your father, mother, grandparents. Yes or no? So today we are going to see a new story. Okay. Do your grandparents stay with you or do they stay in the different place? Or you are going to visit them often, or whether they are helping you in your homework? See, just recollect your olden days, whether if your parents are with you or if you are going to your Aji's house, to the village. If they are in the village, how happy you will be when you are visiting them. Yes or no? Yes. See, today we are going to see a small story. Okay. In this story, we are going to see about a girl named Anjali. Like you people, she is also school going girl. Anjali. Anjali have a father, mother. So Anjali is having father, mother, and also she is having an important person, that is Dada and Dadi. So, our characters in this lesson are Anjali, Anjali's parents, and Anjali's grandparents. Okay, come, let's see the first lesson. See, Amma, why are you removing all my things from the cupboard? Anjali asked in voice which sounded like she was ready to fight. Sometimes even we also do that, no? Amma, where is my milk? Amma, where is my snacks? Only this you will ask. Yes or no? Nobody will ask, Amma, where is my book? You will ask like this. Yes or no? Everybody do this. But you should not raise your voice like that to your parents, okay? Amma, why are you removing all my things from the cupboard? So she is having a separate cupboard in the family, in a room, and mother is removing all the things, all her dress or her belongings from the cupboard. So she is asking, why mummy you are removing all my things? Now the reply is coming. You already know, Anjali, Dada and Dadi are going to need some place for keeping their things. A mother replied firmly. So, mother is telling, Anjali, you know already that your grandparents are going to come here. They are going to come and stay here. So, where do they keep their things? They need your cupboard. So, that's why I'm cleaning your cupboard. But this girl didn't leave. See her. But, Ma, where will my things go? This has been my room since I was a baby. Why should I give up everything just because Dada and Dadi are coming to live with us? Cried Anjali. See, again she is shouting. Don't do this. You should not do this. Okay. But still, see, Anjali is shouting like, where will I go? Where my things will go? So, mother is replying, how sweet she is. See, come on, Anju. Anjali's pet name is Anju. So how beautifully mother is calling, come on Anju. You're not giving up everything. You're only going to sleep on the couch in the hall instead. What she is telling, mother is telling, please don't give up everything. You're going to sleep on the couch. Couch means it is the sofa, no? Everybody will be having a sofa in the hall for the visitors to sit on, that couch, that is called couch, in the hall instead of in his room, and your things can be accommodated elsewhere, replied her mother. See, it's everything is very small, no? So your things will be accommodated means the place where you keep things, okay, accommodated. In this room, if I'm accommodated, like I'm staying here with things, I'm keeping my things, everything here means it is accommodated. Okay, do you understand? Accommodated. Trying to be sensitive but feeling rather exasperated with her daughter's endless objections. See, one time or the other, somehow your mother also will get exhausted. Yes or no? They will get irritated. She keep on asking question. No, 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 no. If you continuously say, Mama, drink this, have healthy food. No, Mama, no. I get only this chips, only that kurkure. If you ask what they'll do, they will also get irritated. When you keep on telling, when mother is telling to clean your room or clean your socks, keep arrange your shoe racks, what you people do? You are lazy kids, is it? Oh, you're not lazy. Very good. So you're not irritating your parents. Okay. Okay. Next. See here. This is how it had been ever since Anjali had been told that her grandparents would be living with them from now on. They had recently sold off all their land in the little village where they had lived most of their life. See, Anjali is mother is telling Anjali, see, look, Dada and Dadi have sold their lands. They sold all. Whatever they are having their properties, they have sold off there in the village and they are shifting and coming to our place. They are going to stay here itself. So Dada was nudging 70 now and was too old to be able to run the farm all by himself. See, even in now our Ajis and Tata, all they are in the village. Yes or no? They are doing farming. Yes or no? Few parents, grandparents are in the cities itself with them. Their office going, retired, all these things. But few grandparents are still working as a farmer. They are doing agriculture. But this Dada, no, Anjali's grandfather was already 70 years. So he can't do because his hands are shivering. He is becoming old. Old people always have less energy. It's not like you people or like me, energetic always. Okay, they are, when they cross above 60, they become old. So energy level is also dropping. So Dada was 90 years old. 70 years old. So he had promised he would not leave his beloved land till he dies, but he was finding it more and more difficult to live there alone. Yes or no? When they are getting old, who will help them? Nobody is there to help them, to take care of them. Already Dada and Dadi are old. Dadi has to cook for Dada, so it will be a bit difficult. But still, some few grandparents know they will never come to the cities, because they like only the village. Because what the reason, they will tell, no, I have lived here for so long, from my birth I am here, this is my heaven, this is my place, I won't leave this and come and sit with you in this city. Yes or no? Everybody will tell that. So like that, this Dada was also thinking like that, but still he had become old, so he's shifting to Anjali's place. All his children have migrated to the cities. Two of Anjali's Chacha Chachis were abroad. Only Papa lived in Pune, while Rita Bua was in Delhi. Dada had been persuaded by Anjali's father to come and live with him. See, daddy is telling, Appa, you come and stay with me, my wife and Anjali. Okay, he is calling Dada and telling that auntie is in Delhi and he is in Pune, here nearby our place. Okay, Papa wanted all of them to be together as joint family. He couldn't take care of his aging parents. See how beautiful Anjali's father is telling, we all should be living together. Yes or no? He wanted to live together. See, of course, Anjali enjoyed meeting her grandparents during her holidays, but that did not mean she was going to be happy giving up her room for them. Anjali was only one child. Never in her life had she liked sharing anything. She wasn't ready to change now. See, we have seen that Papa, Anjali's father, no, he likes to live in a joint family with his own parents and relatives, everybody. But Anjali, no, only one daughter. She is only daughter. How many of them are only one kid for your parents? Only few. So everybody is having siblings. Good. That is life. We will enjoy our life. Yes or no? Being together will help, okay, sometime or the other. See, but this Anjali, being single, she doesn't like to share anything with others. Okay, children, today time up. I'll continue with the next class. What Anjali is doing before, till now, the mother was cleaning the room and Anjali was very upset in sharing a room with Dada and Dadi. And already Dada Dadi was old. So they are coming to Pune. Let's wait and see what is happening after they arrived to Anjali's house. Okay. Stay tuned, okay? Next video I'll tell you. Next class. Hard words. Bratish, wrath, awkward, imprisoned, addition, mellowed. Say, please do this homework. Say whether it is true or false. The sentence are true or false. And describe the character. See here, Anjali. What is Anjali's character? See the round words, describing words right near to that. Okay. Dada, Dadi, Anjali's father. How is Anjali's mother? Okay. How? According to their character, you mark them. Okay. Do you understand? Thank you, children.